Time for a trade and get paid. Forex forecast. It's raining pips out here.
What's up, guys? I'm here for another Forex forecast. This one's going to be dropping on Sunday, February 20th, and we're looking at GBPAUD. We're looking at the 4-hour chart. Last week, as we kind of started the week right in here, I told you there was a lot of news coming this past week, and we had a lot of news. We had one night we had like 17 red folders or something. It was a lot of economic news. We got the Russia-Ukraine issues going on that's causing big spikes in oil prices, and gas is going up like crazy, and inflation is a big issue, as we know, but now interest rates are being thrown into the mix because of the gas prices, which is only going to cause worse inflation. So there's a lot going on right now, but here's what I would tell you. Coming up for this week, as we see, we came back down, but we did not really create a new lower low. We created an even bottom. And so now what we would want to see is exactly what is going to happen from here, okay? From here to the even bottom, that's one. And then from here to the even bottom, that's two. So what we're looking at now is that the price already kind of came up and tested the 50 from this area, and now it's pushing back down. So what do we do from there? We want to see, what does that look like? Well, you see from here to here, this 50 is being tested. And so now we know that price is in a true bearish pattern. So why is that? Because we have continuity going down. We have structure going down. Now, this has been tested, but this created the even bottom. So because of that, what we think will probably happen is structure, simple structure, right? When you look at this simple structure, what do we have going on? So when you see that, boom, there it is. There's your structure. We would be expecting for price to move around inside of here and then eventually break out. It's either going to push back up and we're going to take it to here, or it's going to push out and we can take it to that area right there on this upcoming week. So I'm not trying to give you analysis further than this week. I want to give you analysis for this week. So if we see a breakout of this trend line, then we would want to take it into this area right here. If we see a breakout of this side, then we're going to be looking to take it down into there. So the reason for that is because we want to see confirmation in our structure. Confirmation and structure is everything. So when we see that, it's a pretty straightforward, simple analysis. News is over. The correction happened. You see right here, it pushed back up. It corrected in this area right here, and then it gave us our structure. So because the news that came has already been corrected, we're not looking for a correction cutoff. That's already happened, and we ended right here. So everything's looking really good. I think now we're just simply looking at a couple of things. From here, we got structure, and we got right here. Boom. Take a screenshot. That's what I believe we're looking at right now. And then essentially giving us that triple bottom. Now, again, do patterns reject? Yes. So if it comes down and goes down that way, we're okay with that. We're not biased. We don't have to, have direction in our favor every single time. We just want for price to give us confirmation in a direction so that we can ride that wave and ride that momentum and trade with the banks instead of against the banks. So that's what we're looking at this week. If this brings you value, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more in-depth analysis and see exactly what the market is doing on a weekly basis, become a student at trendtrading.academy. I'll see you in the next video.